I am inherently cheap when it comes to buying the budget items to eat and drink on the trail, but coffee has been one of the things where I actually do enjoy something a little bit nicer. Take that with what you will, but some of the cheaper brands are cheaper, but they still suck. I just need a little caffeine to get through this one. Well, I'm a big coffee guy, so sometimes in the middle of the day or mid-morning, after a few miles, it's always good to fire up the stove, start some instant coffee. But I'm a bit of a coffee snob, so I like to go with the premium coffee. Well, now that I have my coffee in the morning here in the backcountry at the Clark's Fork Trailhead, I guess this is when I give some life advice. Let's start out with one of the biggest things that my grandpa taught me. It's never to rush. 5 miles in today, decided to take a break, make some coffee, simply because I wanted coffee. It was going to improve my mood, my life, my demeanor. So don't rush. Never rush. This is life advice number 1 from Jeff Garmeyer.